Assembling the Lancaster Table and Seating receptacle enclosure is fast and easy. All hardware is included. The only thing you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. First, tighten 11 of the cam screws into the pre-drilled holes in panel 1. Repeat this process with panel 2. Fasten the final 4 cam screws into the corner holes on panel 4. Use 2 cam fasteners to secure panel 3 to one end of panel 4. Repeat this process on the other end of panel 4. Carefully place these newly connected panels atop the screws in panel 1, taking care to align the screws and holes. Use 8 cam fasteners to secure each of the 3 sides to panel 1. Use 2 cam fasteners to secure panel 6 to the side-by-side screws in panel 1. Install panel 5 onto panel 1 by aligning the hole in panel 5 with the screw in panel 1. Carefully place panel 2 atop the previously connected panels, taking care to align the screws and holes. Use 10 cam fasteners to secure panel 2 to the rest of the enclosure. Insert a hinge into each of the 3 large holes in panel 7 and attach each of them using 2 small Phillips screws. Use 4 small Phillips screws to attach the other side of each of the hinges to panel 2. Take care to align the holes in the hinges with the pilot holes in the panel. The enclosure is now assembled and ready to be used.